Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. This is Umaranu Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel. Today I am going to explain conjunction, a part of a speech. Do watch this video to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Conjunction is a part of a speech. A conjunction is a word which is used to join word to word, phrase to phrase, clause to clause and sentence to sentence. A conjunction is also called connector. There are different kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, a conjunction which is used to join two independent sentences or two sentences of equal rank or importance, is called coordinating conjunction. Many words are used as coordinating conjunctions. Out of them, some are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. In short, we say fanboys. Most often we use these words as coordinating conjunctions. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Her favorite snacks are cakes and samosa. What I told, coordinating conjunction joins two words, two phrases, two clauses, two sentences of same rank, same importance. That means what? And is the conjunction which joins two nouns, and the coordinating conjunction joins two adjectives, two sentences, two clauses, two phrases, same rank. Here that means noun with noun, adjective with adjective, okay, phrase with phrase, clause with clause, like this. So her favorite snacks are cakes and samosa. He doesn't eat cake, nor does he eat biscuits. Here nor is one conjunction. Coordinating conjunction joins two sentences. I eat vegetables, but I never eat non-veg. Here but is used to join two sentences, and it is used for contrast and opposition. But conjunction. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Here conjunction or used to join two nouns, one is tea, another is coffee, and or conjunction is used for one choice. He is overweight, yet he continues to eat lots of cakes and biscuits. Here yet conjunction used to join two sentences. Yet means what here? Still or since. He is overweight since he continues to eat lots of cakes and biscuits. He is overweight for he eats too many cakes and biscuits. We know that for is used as preposition, but here it is used as one conjunction, and that is a coordinating conjunction. He is overweight for he eats too many cakes and biscuits. Here for gives the meaning because or since. He was very smart, so he answered all the questions correctly. Here also so joins two sentences, and so gives the meaning consequence. So is used for the meaning of consequence. Subordinating conjunction, a conjunction used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other, is called subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction introduces the subordinating clause, depends on the other clause to complete its meaning. We didn't go because it rained. Here because is subordinating conjunction because it is used to introduce one subordinating clause. There are two clauses, one is we didn't go, another is because it rained, it is the subordinating clause, and we didn't go main clause. because it rained, it has no complete sense, complete meaning. It depends on the main clause to give its complete meaning, to complete its meaning. We didn't go because it rained. Okay. Though he was poor, he was happy. Though is the subordinating conjunction. It introduces the subordinating clause. Though he was poor, he was happy. And the subordinating clause depends on the main clause. Subordinating clause depends on the main clause to complete its meaning. And the subordinating clause though is used for the fact at the time. And when the subordinating clause is used at the beginning of the sentence, at the end of the subordinating clause there must be one comma. But if the main clause is used at the beginning of the sentence and then the subordinating clause, there should not be any comma in the middle. As it was getting dark, we had to go home. Here, as is the subordinating clause, introduces the subordinating conjunction, introduces the subordinating clause, and at the end of the subordinating clause there is a one comma. As it was getting dark, we had to go home. She looked unhappy after she read the letter. She looked unhappy after she read the letter is subordinating clause. Subordinating conjunction introduces the subordinating clause, and she looked unhappy main clause. That means at the beginning of the subordinating clause there must be one subordinating conjunction. Okay, and it is a subordinating clause is used just after the main clause. So there should not be any comma in the middle. And where after is used to show later the time. Speak loudly so that I can hear you. So subordinating conjunction so that introduces the subordinating clause and it is used for a purpose, to show the purpose. Speak loudly. Why speak loudly? Why should speak loudly? So that I can hear you. Okay. So that is used for the purpose. Pump up your tires before you go. Before means what? Earlier than. Before introduces the subordinating clause. Before you go, pump up your tires. Understand? A driver must stop when the traffic lights are red. When introduces the subordinating clause. When is the subordinating conjunction. A driver must stop is the main clause, and subordinating clause has no meaning. Okay. So it depends upon the subordinating main clause to complete its meaning. You can go where you like. Where you like. Where you like. Where is the subordinating conjunction, introduces the subordinating clause. Okay. And where is used for the place. You can go where you like. And where you like, it has no complete sense. If there is not main clause, you can go where you like. That means the subordinating clause depends on the main clause to complete its meaning. Conjunctions that are used in pair are called correlative conjunctions. Example, both and, either or, neither nor, so that, scarcely when, hardly when, etc. are correlative conjunctions. The two elements of the correlative conjunctions must be followed by the same grammatical structure. Hardly had he begun to work when it started raining. Okay. The correlative conjunction hardly when. The first element follows total sentence. Had he begun to work. Also the second element follows what? The sentence it started raining. What you learnt? Both the elements of the correlative conjunction must follow the same grammatical structure. I mean the first element follows the sentence, second element also follows the another sentence. She is both intelligent and liberal. Here both and is the correlative conjunction. First element both follows intelligent adjective, the second element and follows liberal adjective. I will either go to a picnic or take a rest. I will either go to a picnic or take a rest. Here either follows verb go and second element or follows verb take. Salim is not only watching TV but also playing football. Here not only but also. Not only follows what? Watching, ing form of verb watching, and but also follows what? Playing, another verb playing. I am neither happy nor excited. Neither follows happy adjective nor follows excited adjective. No sooner had I reached the station than the train arrived. No sooner than. So, no sooner follows total sentence. Had I reached the station, then follows the another sentence, the train arrived. Have you decided whether we will go there or not? Whether or. Whether follows what? The sentence, you will go there. Or also follows what? You will not go there. There use insert we have written not. Whether you will go there or not. That means whether you will go there or you will not go there. Insert you have written not. I would rather go swimming than go to the hospital. The same rather follows the verb go here and also than follows the verb go here. Okay. That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.